What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Peaches by Justin Bieber, Giveon, and Daniel Caesar. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell or I'll throat punch you in the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is pretty simple. It's got 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 days. Your first chord is going to be an F major 7, index finger on the 8th fret of your A string, your ring finger on the 10th fret of the D string, your middle finger on the 9th fret of the G string, and your pinky finger on the 10th fret of your B string. Then you're going to an E minor 7, which is index finger bars the 7th fret, your ring finger starting on the A string there. Your ring finger is going to go to the 9th fret of the D string, and your middle finger is going to go on the 8th fret of the B string. From there, move that exact same formation down to the 5th fret, starting on the 5th fret with your index finger. This is a D minor 7, so it's bar the 5th fret with your index finger, ring finger on the 7th fret on D, middle finger on the 6th fret on B. And then finally you have a C major 7. It's the same exact formation as your F major 7. You're just starting on the 3rd fret of the guitar, starting on the A string with your index finger, ring finger on the 5th fret of the D, middle finger on 4th fret of the G, and pinky finger on the 5th fret of the B string. So technically the chords in the song are kind of just single strummed, but I will show you a strumming pattern that you can use. Like I said, you can just single strum, or a strumming pattern that I like to use sounds like. So that's down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. And the last down, up of each chord, I'm muting in between to kind of give it some flair. So down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. It's a mute. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.